Avoid these 3 traps that most beginners fall into 1xbet. Before we continue, make sure to create your official 1xbet account using our exclusive promo code BUTV to receive an incredible 300% bonus on your first deposit. Here's how it works. Click to registration, choose one of the 4 available methods, for example by email, fill in with all your personal details, and here in the promo code section, click BUTV. Then click to register and make your first deposit, for example $100, and instantly receive a 300% bonus. That's an extra $300, making your total balance $400 to start betting with. Don't miss this opportunity to boost your game with one of the most trusted betting platforms in the world. Now let's back to the video. The first one, chasing losses, betting bigger after losing. After a lose, your emotions are telling you to recover losses. Don't fall in it. Leave your phone, take a breath, and return by remembering to follow your strategy. Second, overloading accumulators. 10 matches almost never win. And the third trap, ignoring bonus rules. You can withdraw without meeting requirements. So stay aware of these traps and you'll protect your bankroll. And if you enjoyed this video, put a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.